Guys, guess what time it is? Competition time! Yeah, so how this is gonna work is I'm not gonna film all my solves. I'm gonna film all, I don't know, like PR ones. And me and now it's Superior Flip. I don't know why he keeps on changing his name like so much times, but I guess it's Superior Flip now. So we're gonna verse each other 3x3 again. So yeah, meet at the competition. Road. No. What would you prefer? My Mo WRM or your Gansoff Emily?
Mo WRM.
Yeah. Or would you rather my WRM or your Gans 356M? Which one? You don't know. Okay. No, it's fine. It's fine. Look at the view outside. It's so cool.
This is like a fire station.
I'm just going to.
No, you're not allowed to record.
Yeah. I'm not gonna record of the face. Hello. So Superior Flip is judging me. He changed his name 3 times already.
You just got in.
Because like the.
Just got in on the
I
Yeah. So I'm nervous. Actually, not gonna film any of myself.
Wait, really?
Yeah, I'm just gonna film. Like you see. See you later. So I just got a 23 second.
Yeah, okay.
What do you think of it?
That's pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna get
I'm going to be filming my next solve. Jaden thinks that's going to be a sub 20, so I guess I'm just gonna film it. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready. Tell me when you're ready. I'm ready.
Another great yellow.
A horrible scramble. I haven't even finished cross yet. Nah.
Oh, better than last time, but 22.
Maybe the time off here and not off the display.
Second was really good, right?
Yeah, I'm not gonna get.
Should I film the next one?
I'm probably gonna get like a 28-second average.
Should I film the next one, Jaden?
Wait, what the? Yeah.
Should I film the next one?
Yeah, film all your songs.
Why? But I didn't film the first one.
What if you might? What if you might get like a? Imagine the sub 10.
Yeah, sub 10. Nah,
Sub 10?
impossible.
No, not impossible. You're gonna get sub 10
Yeah, maybe.
later.
Oh, our cube's here. No.
You could have got a sub.
This one is 4th time the lucky, so I want a sub 20. Right, Jaden?
Can't get a sub 20 right now.
I want a sub 20.
Yeah, okay.
Time the lucky, and I didn't get sub something. Wait, sub
20 something.
Yeah, sub 20. Sad. I'm sad.
Oh wait,
Say hi. What do you want to say to the camera?
you put it in that box.
Hi.
Speedcubing is cool.
Yeah. Everybody do. What do you think of your 24 seconds?
Bad, because my turning was slow. I got a good scramble.
It's fine.
So,
Dude, you got PR 22.
yeah, I know.
22.43, dude.
No, last time I was like, dude, yeah, 33. Now I'm like 22, dude.
But I'm
So Charles is the next group.
I'm beating Jaden.
Yeah, but
By 2 second average. at least you got PR, average, and single.
Yeah.
And I only got, I don't know. I think I only
Wait,
got
am I
PR
next
average,
competition?
maybe. Jaden has a left. I mean, Superior Flip has left. So it's just me now. So next is 2x2. And Knuckles. Wait, what? And we got a Gan scoop. I mean, Charles got a Gan scoop, but we all got lube.
GAN #1 lube.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's very good. Look, it's so good.
I'm just going to play Minecraft.
Yay.
It's 2x2 and Charles is going to be judging me. So I'm not going to film the first solve.
Pretty nice.
Oh my gosh, why are you so Oh my god, so far I have a 4-second mean, so hopefully I do good. Yes! 4-second average.
Yes, 4-second average. Let's go.
Guys, 4-second average, come on. So now it's pyramid, so yeah, I'm going to be filming the first solve because this is my first time doing pyramids.
Nice.
That's bad.
Generally extra. Oh, nice.
No. Did nice. Did nice. Oh, that was good. Well, that was a messed up average, but still my PR. I'm to be judging Charles for scoop, and I'm gonna film his first scoop solve. So yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
It's not connected.
That's my PB.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
No, PR.
Station 50.
Okay. Just get that better shirts on. So now it's scoop, which I could do good. Yes. What was that? Not sure if I'm going to beat that. No. Okay, what was that? Look at the time.
I got judging after this.
Dude, what?
I got judging.
What's that? So guys, that's the end of day 1. If you think it's crazy, then it's actually not. Just look at the view, dude. Look at the view. The sea. The sea. It's the smoothest translation into day 2. Okay, so now it's day 2. So first up, I'm gonna meet Jaden / Superior Flip. Let's go. 2, and I'm going to race Jaden.
I'm so slow.
Yeah.
No, but I beat him on the first.
Yeah.
First
I didn't film the first.
No, because he was gonna do smart and he doesn't practice smart.
Alright, so
He just practices.
yeah, let's scramble the cube up. Why? On my last video, when we race each other, you were just chilling at the corner. So I guess I want to show your face now. Come on. Like move your chair closer. Yep. Ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, where's that? Jaden, you're so quiet. You're just chilling at the corner again. What? Done.
Oh, same time.
I got A from. I should have been faster at it.
I got JA.
Nice. Now it's round 2. We got a tie on the first one. So yeah, let's do it. Scramble. Jaden, what are you looking at? Wait, let's put my iPad on the floor.
Dude, I can't see myself.
I can't see myself. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, what the?
Oh, that was faster. Well, bad. Awesome. Oh, I messed up. No. Oh, wait. Got it. Alright.
What was extra slow turning speed?
No. Alright, last one. Let's go. No, come on. If I win, that's when we'll get tied.
Yeah. Oh, is that no? That's not even.
Ready? You say go.
Go. Is that extra slow there? Oh my god.
I messed up after.
Yeah, that's right. Oh my god.
Wrong one. What'd I get? No, end turn.
I've not even completed episode.
Done. Tie. Back 3. It's my turn. Go on, Jaden, let's go.
No, it's my turn.
Coaching Jaden. Good luck, Jaden. How do you feel about that 19.03 something?
Dude, I just got a 37. Now I got a 19. What the heck?
Yeah.
The heck was that?
That's really good. So I'm not. Yeah. So we're not gonna film my first solve. And Jaden's also judging me. He's beating me in singles so far. He got a 19, and my best single's like 21. So
21.
yeah. Wish me luck. We're 22 to start off with. Be filming this solve. Did you start it?
Yeah, I started it. Okay.
I'm ready. Tell me when you're ready. Ready? Oh. Good yellow.
Oh!
Get wrecked. Good man, get wrecked.
Yes.
I beat Jaden in average and single. Oh my god.
Okay, good job.
Wait, no, that's the last one. Wait, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Alright. Now, me and Jenna are gonna do some running. Going to be doing 2x2 now. Wish me luck. 2 has ended and Jaden is going to go now.
Yeah.
So yeah, next competition, July 2nd and 1. And it's also this YouTube channel's 1 year old birthday, so yeah. Bye Jaden.
Bye.
Let's still scoop though. Time for scoop. Yeah.
That's a D. He stopped the timer. It's a DNF.
Oh, the answer?
Yeah, he stopped the timer.
You already stopped?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just write DNF. 10:20. The competition, I'm having lunch. Scoop was pretty embarrassing. I got a 1 DNF. So yeah, that's enough the competition. Bye guys, and also subscribe and like.